Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom Raspberry Pi that is going to blow your minds away. It's actually pretty easy though, so first of all, you will need some sort of Raspberry Pi, of course. But if you're poor like us, you can always just pick up a Raspberry Pi Pico for $4. But if you're rich and you just want to flex your money, pick up a Raspberry Pi 4GB model for this custom Raspberry Pi that we're going to be building. So you're going to want to watch how we assemble this very closely. So watch and learn.
A few inches later.
Oh, yep. I'm sure I found it. I bet I found it.
Wait, really? Wait.
Yeah, definitely. Right here.
Let me look for it here. Oh, look at this thing! Oh my goodness! I wonder if this would still work. That would be an interesting thing to actually test out. Something that's been cooked.
Oh my gosh. I wanted you to try this out right now. Like, for real.
Maybe we will.
Yeah, it's got pile all over it.
Oh my goodness. This was an interesting project, for sure.
Alright. You guys have a great day.
Thanks for watching.